Hello everybody. Today we will study about the thermionic generator. This is a type of direct energy converter system in solar energy. Means we are utilizing the solar energy for the direct conversion to the electrical energy. As we see in other power generation, we have to use the generator to convert particular energy into electrical energy. Here we directly utilizing the solar energy to convert it to the uh, electrical energy. So this is a type of the direct energy conversion system, that is a thermionic generator. Thermionic, the terms related to the therm is it is a heat that is related to temperature, and ionic means the ion transfer, charge ion transfer. So this is basically depend on the addition effect. So what is a Thomas addition? Observe, here we see that the electrons, observe that the electrons are emitted from the metal surface when it was heated. Means if we heat the particular metal surface, electrons are emitted. This is a addition effect, and this effect we are going to yeah, this effect is utilizes in the thermionic emission. So that is a basic principle of thermionic power generation is TPG in short. Static device that convert heat energy into the electrical energy by boiling of the electrons from a hot emitter surface, that is at near about 1800 Kelvin, across a small inter-electron gap, that is the gap between the electrodes, to the cooler collector surface. Means second surface is the collector surface, which is at 1000 Kelvin. Means already it is a temperature difference between two surfaces. So basic means if we particular first figure is about a uh, unheated surface, that is a simple metal, and second one is when the heat is applied, so the electrons are vibrating, and electrons are start to leave the surface of the metal. So this is a basic concept utilizes in the thermionic generator. This is a figure where one side, that is called as a emitter, and other side is called as a collector. So if we start to hit the emitter, it emits the electrons, and that electrons are then collected by the collector, and due to this motion of the electron, the electricity is generated, or EMF is generated. This is a heat source, heat sink, that is a collector. The circle is a vacuum is a control system is there for this. So basics are the consisting the components, means it is a generator which consisting of the two electrodes placed near one another in a vacuum. One electron normally called as a cathode, that is emitter. So emitter we can call as a emitter, we can call as a cathode, because it is giving the electrons while hitting, and the other is called as anode or plate, or we can say that the collectors which collect the emitted electrons from the cathode. So ordinarily electrons in the cathode are prevented from escaping the surface by potential energy variance. There is a energy variance in the particular thing which prevent the electrons to escape. Electron, so we required to escape that electron. So for that we have to give the somewhat enough energy to overcome this energy barrier which is given us. So at ordinary temperature, means at normal temperature, almost none of these electrons can acquire the energy to escape. But when the cathode is very hot, means we if we heat the particular surface, the electron energies are greatly increased by the thermal motion. Due to this thermal energy, the electrons are energized, and at sufficiently high temperature, the considerable number of electrons are able to escape. Means at normal temperature, the energy barriers, electrons cannot escape, but due to the high temperature, electrons get energized and they can now release or escape the energy barrier, and this liberation of electrons from the outer surface is called thermionic emission. So basic concept is simple. We heating the particular element at particular temperature so that the electrons can escape the particular barrier from that surface. And this is a basic concept, that is a addition effect, and which utilizes in the thermionic generator, that is a TPG. Thank you.